big one. Very strong motion.
Get down here in this hill. Violent tornado.
You can see the back edge of it. There's the left edge. Holy cow.
It's not good for Des Moines.
No.
It's heading right for Des Moines. Yeah.
We're gonna hit the damage pass. That's gonna cross 35. There's a stick, watch out. We'll be in the damage pass. Oh no! It's not gonna retrograde.
I'm gonna go be over your shoulder, alright?
People up there are gonna get tossed.
Careful, Steven, careful. I know, we're good.
The wind's gonna flip around. It's
We're good. We're good. Watch the power lines to the left. They're plenty of distance away from the road.
The vortice ahead of it. Look, the rope.
Wow.
Right out the window there. There's a satellite rope right there.
Careful. It might be.
Yeah, it's right there. You can see it.
Yeah.
In the rain. There's like a stovepipe rope thingy.
Oh my God, it's right there.
Yeah, it's right there. You can see it.
Yeah.
In the rain. There's like a stovepipe rope thingy.
Oh my God, it's right there in the field. Very low contrast though, very low contrast.
We're good.
Yeah, it's past us. We're fine.
Yeah, we're good now. We're good now.
Yep. Okay.
This is as far as we're going.
Yep. We're done.
Good, not good, not good.
Actually, the house is okay. Looks like it just took the
What
garage.
about the one down below? Was that a house down there or no?
I don't know. We might have to go double check.